Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. It was last Saturday I injured my hand. I've been off work all week. I haven't done a great lot in the workshop. I just didn't want to bump it and do any damage to the stitches in my hand. It's healed up great. My hand feels normal. Sensations are normal. I can move it. I didn't realise how lucky I'd actually been. There's a big artery in your hand called the radial artery. In a few puncture that, you've only got a matter of minutes. I was in a workshop by myself. I had a mobile phone, but had I damaged that, I don't quite know what would have happened. So it just makes you wonder, and makes you sort of be a lot more careful. It's just one of them freak accidents that was unlucky to happen, but I was very, very lucky at the outcome. And once again, I want to thank the staff at the RVI in Newcastle. They were absolutely brilliant. They couldn't have done more for us. And the surgeon, Jacob, the lad that did my hand, I sat and watched him do it, and he did say he was going to subscribe. So if you're watching this, mate, thank you very much indeed. Right, tonight's nightcap, I put the third part of the Sentinel steam wagon regulator on. I showed 2 parts last week. I'll show a bit more of that. I'm going to put a little bit of the gas turbine on, because I've got quite a bit of that done now. I do a little bit of machining in the workshop, some aluminium wheel spacers. I'll probably put that on. I've had the casting blasted, just so I can see exactly where I was going, and I have actually welded it up. I couldn't get my T-torch in here, so what I did, I put some MIG in the bottom, and once I started, the whole bottom of the casting was porous. So I built a lot up on both sides. This one was actually leaking as well. I put some dye penetrant on, and it doesn't appear to be leaking in the weld, seems to be holding up quite well. So what I'm going to do is take out the other 2 broken studs, make some blanking plates for it, and put a pressure test on before I waste any more time or do anything else with it. But things are looking not too bad. It did weld quite well. The little pinhole started to spread, and the casting was just quite badly deteriorated. This is the last stud. I've welded a nut onto it, just see if I had to take it towards holes. Not sure. I think it's coming. Not sure. Coming, yeah. Bastard! Yeah, I was just laughing, I think. I do think it moved. Weld one more nut on and try it once again, but I do think it moved. That's the crack test cleaner that's burning off. So I was twisting the weld or the stud, or I don't think it's coming out. It's not coming out, it's a bloody good weld. I think we've got the bastard, you know. Oh, that was definitely moving there, it had to be moving. One more. One more. Right, it's got one more nut on it. Try this one without heat, see what happens. That feels like it's moving there, that bastard. I'll cool it off. That's moving there. You're going to come out, you bastard! It doesn't want to play this bastard at all. Bloody hell. Bastard fucking thing. Right, it's coming down to the last resort really. We'll just drill it and tap it. At least the stud's soft. I'm going to try and go all the way through. It's always pulsing to go all the way through. Then if anything snaps off in the hole, you can punch it through. I'm going to put a left hand drill in here, just you never know, a left hand drill might just screw it out. It might shite as well. What we'll do, we'll tighten the chuck up first. These chucks don't like running backwards, I remember now. They don't like it at all. That's not going to come with there. Right, we'll just carry on with an orderly drill. Keep going. Right, I can see threads in there. It'd be nice if I could pick them up. That's actually the tapping drill for 3/8 BSF, so it looks good. You can see on the end of the thing there how it's actually pulled out the shell part of the stud. We might be lucky. We might be lucky. It looks good in there. It does look good. This feels rather excellent actually. I'd be really happy if it leaves a good thread in there. That looks pretty good to me. Pretty good indeed. I don't know how well you can see the weld down there, but it went in really hot and did flew in quite nicely, so I'm optimistic that it's going to be alright. The dye pen never came through it, so as long as it takes a pressure test it'll be alright. this straight to the other side. And we'll put it in the lathe and just throw that out of sight, out of edge up, but it is a really good finish anyway. So you want this machine into it. And that's a nice shape in the hole, that for a good clean piercing 3mm plate. Really good setting that for 3mm. I cut that hole to 8mm on the plasma table in an 8mm bolt. We'll probably hammer through. I'm just going to use a drill to clean the hole out to a true 8mm. That noise in the background is my heater running just to try and warm this place up a little bit, because it's bloody freezing in here. Don't worry, I'm going to take these gloves off before I start machining things. So I've got a 13mm bolt through there. We'll grip that in a chuck, probably put a centre in, and then we'll machine the outside edge down to the required size, which is 153mm. I've left the outside jaws in the chuck, so I'm going to grip that in the centre. And this plate is now touching those jaws, which will also act as a friction drive. So I'll drill and centre that, put a centre in to keep it pushed in nice and tight, and then we can machine the outside edge. There's only like 1.5 mm to come off there. But doing it that way, it'll also stop any chatter and stop it springing. Stainless bowl, obviously that. Okay, so if we bring the lathe tailstock centre in like that, loosen the chuck off. Put a bit of weight on there. That's going to really push that plate into those jaws. So now we're able to machine that outside edge without any problems at all, really. Quite a hard skin at that plasma cutting, so it takes it to get that off straight away. And once that's off, wash it straight forward. Steel plate. I'll get the vernier, have a measure. You can see what he wants. That's the finish he wants on the outside edge, as opposed to a plasma cut finish. Right, this should be the last cut. Bring it dead onto size. Just going to break the two edges. By break the edges, I mean just knock the sharp edges off. Should just have enough room to get this tool in. Very close to the chuck jaw on the inside, but there is enough room. So close it is to the jaw there. Good clearance is clearance with this here. Final measure. About 153 153.17, 153 point, basically 153.